Hey guys, welcome back. Today I just want to talk to you and share what's going on. Recently, I was telling you, should I sell this watch? Should I sell my IWC Breitling? I never really connected them, and nor do I consider them part of my core collection. And soon enough, I had a major purchase uh, that came, and it was really easy to push me in that direction. Now, when I think about it, I probably shouldn't have done it, but yeah, I got rid of my AWC and my Breitling, and because of that purchase, I sold my Piaget, which is, uh, I hope it won't be one of my biggest mistakes and regrets, but my wrist got really bigger in the past 2 years. It used to be more around 7 inches, and now it's a 7.5 inches, and it kind of look minuscule. And so I passed on the Piaget to my bearded buddy who has a smaller wrists, and he really enjoys it. So yeah, I just wanted to share and give you a little update about my collection, what's going on. So usually when I offload watches and when I sell them, I allocate that money towards a new better watch or something different I have ready. But this time I purchased something completely different and non-related to watches. So yeah, that boat has sailed. So I still have my core collection. I have my major pieces which I do not plan or intend selling. However, Breitling, IWC, and Piaget, they were all kind of on shaky legs. So I could have got a really decent watch for those three watches. However, I'm happy with the purchase, different kind of purchase, something for uh, non-watch related, something private. So always good, always Val. Just wanted to give you a little update. So now, now I'm trying to be prudent, frugal, and by the end of the year, try to add possible another watch to my collection. So when I do a collection update, I have something else. So, but you never know. I never look for a specific watch. Recently, uh, some people get it, some do not. Archie recently spoke about it. Archie actually he popularized the Rolex Explorer Polar, and lots of punters did not know about that watch. He got it, he spruiked it, and all of a sudden become a watch became really hot and popular. And I remember when he first got it, he got a lot of backlash and negative comments from the punters, telling, "Oh, that's a dog. Why would you buy that?" And long story short, now it's one of the hottest sports models out there. And he bought it because the black one was not available. So yeah, when I go after on a watch hunt or whatnot, I do have some specific watches that I have in mind that I would like to get, would like to have. However, I think it's more fun to let things go to the destiny. So occasionally, once in a while, I will rank my or text my dealers or browse the and ask what do you have available, and he will give me selection. I have this and that and this and that, and when I see something that could be really interesting and that speaks to me, that says you need that, I want that, I said yeah, I will buy that one, and I'm done with it. I buy it within 2 days, or whenever we have available time to meet, or when I see something on a sales forum or somewhere else, someone selling something, and if the price is right, I'm all over it. But usually, some sort of watches that I would never consider getting appear and pop up. So I was trying to buy a Breguet, Type 20 earlier this year, and also I was trying to offload my IWC in Breitling and did some trade swap watches plus money for that watch, and it was completely out of the blue, and that deal fell through. But I'm still trying. I'm still trying, but you never know. So sometimes I like to let watches come to me, and early in my days of my channel I was speaking about it, and I still live by that philosophy. I do let the watches come to me. So do let the watches come to you. Do not listen too much of reviews and people, influencers or whatnot you should buy or should bet, because it's not interesting when we all have 20 some watch meeting gathering, we have 20 submariners or 20 tutors or 20 omega seamasters, which by the way I love. And one of the watches I'm looking at is the Seamaster 300 ceramic or Pelagos. That's kind of like my fun summer beater watch that I would really enjoy wearing, and it would be cool because I do miss my Pelagos. So since I sold all those watches, I decided to go back to some of my old classics, and right now I'm enjoying and wearing my Submariner. It's a 16610, and you know, those 90s Submariners had a crappy bracelets, and I do enjoy wearing it on a NATO. And there's another aspect of wearing this watch on NATO. It's inconspicuous. Did I say that right? It's inconspicuous. So, what I want to say that many people do not give it a second look, and you know, sometimes it's dangerous to wear Submariner every day because bad people. If you have issues wearing your watches, and I know in central London and big cities, Paris and whatnot, here where I am, there's so many fakes and replicas that no one gives a crap, is it? But as you move in certain circles, certain people take notice of it, and certain bad people scan you, and you become a target. So I don't want to be a target. And also, I was thinking of buying a Glock 19. So all my gun guys do tell me that a good idea. Glock 19. I think it's a can't go wrong self-defense, home defense weapon. So I'm ranting. I'm all over the place, but I just turned on the camera and I wanted to speak to you guys because I haven't heard you in a long time. So thank you for watching, all of you guys. Thank you for sticking around with me, and see you in the next one. In my next video, I will show you the Zenith El Primero. There will be a review.